Let's graph and find the properties of a circle centered at x equals 13 and y equals 14, with radius 13.
The center is the anchor point of the circle.
The center is at x equals 13, y equals 14.
The radius is the distance from the center to the circle. Step out by the radius, right, left, up, and down. These 4 points sit on the circle. A circle equation uses center shifts on the left, radius squared on the right. Substitute the center values and the radius before simplifying the signs. Now simplify the center shifts.
Subtracting a negative center coordinate becomes plus.
The radius is 13, so 13 squared gives 169. Now we derive the related properties from the radius. The diameter is 2 radii across, 2 times 13 equals 26. The circumference is 2 pi r, 2 times pi times 13 equals 26 pi.
The area is pi r squared, pi times 13 squared equals 169 pi.
So this circle is described by its center and radius.